Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, April 14, 2022 on our channel. SystemAir presented the new water source heat pump SYSLOOP 70-135. BSRIA and BESA publish refrigerant guide at crucial time. Carrier India's manufacturing facility receives platinum certification from Indian Green Building Council. Carrier chillers on lower GWP refrigerant selected for Oxford University Laboratories. Gaslab Incorporated launches RAD-0002-ZR oxygen deficiency alarm for low temperatures. So, first news today. SystemAir presented the new water source heat pump SYSLOOP 70-135. SystemAir presented the new high-capacity water source heat pumps with low GWP R513A refrigerant SYSLOOP 70-135. SYSLOOP 70-135, the new water source heat pump range operates with a low GWP R513A refrigerant, and has nominal capacities from 7 to 15 kilowatts. Thanks to a GWP, global warming potential, of only 631, the refrigerant is around 3 times less polluting than the R407C or the R410A, usually used for this type of units. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. BSRIA and BESA publish refrigerant guide at crucial time. BSRIA is delighted to announce the publication of a new topic guide, Refrigerants in Building Services, TG21-2022, published in partnership with the Building Services Engineering Association, BESA. Authored by Graham Fox, BESA Technical Director, the topic guide is available now for free from the BSRIA bookshop. Refrigerants in Building Services, TG21-2022. Refrigerants are used in the working cycle of virtually all air conditioning systems and heat pumps. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Carrier India's manufacturing facility receives platinum certification from Indian Green Building Council. Carrier's India HVAC factory has been awarded platinum certification by the Indian Green Building Council, IGBC. The accreditation for maintaining green building standards under the IGBC Green Factory Building Ratings is a milestone for the 33-year-old factory located on Carrier's Gurugram, Haryana campus. The platinum certification for an older factory is an example of how we are investing in our factories and operations, optimizing existing methods and innovating new digitally enabled solutions to drive down energy consumption, said Chirag Baijal, Managing Director, Commercial HVAC, Carrier India. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Carrier chillers on lower GWP refrigerant selected for Oxford University Laboratories. Carrier chillers operating on the lower global warming potential (GWP) refrigerant R32 have been selected to provide energy-efficient cooling for 3 world-renowned medical science laboratories at Oxford University. 4 Carrier Aqua Snap 30 RBP air-cooled scroll chillers with GreenSpeed intelligence have been installed at the Henry Wellcome Building for Genomic Medicine, the Weatherall Institute of Molecular Medicine at the John Radcliffe Hospital, and the university's Old Road Campus Research Building, a leading institution in cancer research. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Gaslab Incorporated launches RAD-0002-ZR oxygen deficiency alarm for low temperatures. Gaslab Incorporated has released the new RAD-0002-ZR oxygen deficiency alarm designed to measure potentially dangerous oxygen levels in low-temperature applications. The Gaslab RAD-0002-ZR oxygen deficiency monitor provides cryogenic facilities, laboratories, food packagers, and warehousing industries with low-temperature freezers the ability to monitor potentially hazardous oxygen levels in conditions down to -50 degrees Celsius. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.